So three things actually that I want to talk about. I think first of all, on a general level, we were able to bring an enormous collection of initiatives together. Some very to the point, maybe some a little bit less to the point, but we had a very nice balanced heterogeneity, overall different stakeholders and overall different types of projects that we had there. And that allowed us to make a huge list, and it will be very nice to write a report about that, about all the good practices and all the insights that we got on the different stakeholders. And then tapping into that huge source of information, actually, we first worked on the opportunities and the challenges. And there, continuing on what I said this morning, it's clear that the awareness still needs a further push, and that everybody stretches on doing a tailored approach there. So please take into account the regional approach, the ages, the size of the farms, and also the sector. And today somebody added something extra, go down to the field level. Some of the feedback was because even the fields are specific. It was very clear that complexity is a big challenge still, and the biggest one stays for me on number one, the cost benefit, but also closely followed by the challenges to invest by farmers in this technology and the pending issue of trust. Another challenge mentioned, a very challenging one, was how to monetize the data once or even several times. So that's for the challenges. On the opportunities, we have a tremendous list of ways how farmers can save time. That was very important, save time or save money using the data available, and to look into the more the less tangible actually possibilities of creating more sustainability. On the question of today, how can data solutions support farmers and enhance farm performances and needs? There were also some clear outcomes. I heard a lot in the different breakout groups, the possibility to use data or the question to create more transparency and traceability, and to also make the benefits more clear. And then going back to my opening presentation, to the three levels of technology, business, and people. On the technology, I think the message is extremely clear. Keep it simple, keep it easy, make data interoperable, accessible, understandable, integratable, and in the end, very useful. And I think, okay, I'm from the IT engineering side, but that creates a huge list of interesting things when we would start building this agricultural federated data space. So I think this group clearly stated how these data spaces should look like. And then on the business side, there were some interesting proposals to take the farmer into new business modeling, switches to services to cover for this investment challenges. And in the end, the most important, the people. The people need more training and more skills. And there, everybody agrees on the role of advisors and of demonstration, but also very nice to see on teaching. And we also seem to agree that there is a role for data cooperatives. Some people propose new data cooperatives. Other people see a way to work with existing cooperatives and give them new challenges, and maybe also to involve private there and go to public-private partnerships and look into the roles of digital innovation hubs. Maybe as my final conclusion, I think today we learned the huge potential that data gives to empower farmers and to put them in control, to increase their farmer performance and to get as much benefits towards the farmer as possible. I think that would be my concluding line.